Have you ever received an anonymous call inviting you into a Zoom meeting and giving you a code to dial that has popped up in your phone? Have you ever received a link either in your email or your WhatsApp or any social media handle telling you to click the link for some benefits? Some of those links are hackers pushing them up to you, and the codes, they're hackers pushing them up to you. My name is Pamela. I am a flight agent and a co-founder of Women of Valor, and currently a student at SolaviseTech Institute. For the past months, we have been studying ethical hacking course in the cybersecurity, and there are so many things that stood out there for me, but I'm going to talk about ethical hacking or ethical hacker. What do you understand by this? For example, if you have a house, you have built your house, you have doors and windows, you don't know whether these doors and windows are strong enough until a thief breaks in. Now, for you to know whether they are strong enough, you hire someone you trust to check the doors and the windows, and that is when you know whether they are strong or not. So, ethical hackers, this is their work. They are trusted individuals who are authorized to check the systems for any weaknesses, and when they know these weaknesses or vulnerabilities, they report to the organizations, and the organizations will have to fix them. When I started this journey of cybersecurity, it was not going. It was really overwhelming because I had to learn about new words like Nmap, networking, Wireshark, and all that, many codes, labs. And it was like strange to me. Thank you, Prof. Kevin, too, because with your constant pushing, I have been able to understand what it is. And the more I commit myself to learning cybersecurity, the more I understand and the more it becomes interesting. And the more I want to learn and know it more in order to serve people around my circles. Because what I started saying is what they were facing. Many of them got hacked, passwords collected, money collected, because they were not careful enough to identify that these were scams. So, join SolaviseTech today if you think of protecting yourself online, protecting your loved ones, and together we can form a community free of hacking, free of cyber criminals. Thank you. Thanks for listening.